you for watching the extended version of the new intro of DonCarinderiaSeries Plus YouTube channel. So let's move on to today's agenda. We are going back to the basics with the shrimp in Aglio Olio Pasta. If you're busy and you're craving for pasta, this one is very simple to do and it's very delicious, trust me. Aglio is garlic and olio is oil, so these two are the basic ingredients of this pasta dish. In the original recipe, they sliced the garlic thinly, but I'm more used to mincing my garlic, so whatever floats your boat. I love the garlic flavor, so I'm using the whole head of garlic here. Now we are going to prepare the choice protein for this dish. I'm using shrimp, but you can also use tuna or chicken. It's up to you. As you can see, I'm already done with one. I removed the head, the shell, the legs, but I retained the tail for presentation purposes. Don't discard the heads. You can use it for shrimp stock. It's very tasty. And that is all the preparation that we need to do. Simple, no? Mise en place, check. I'm adding now salt to our boiling water. The amount of salt is really up to you, but they say that it needs to be as salty as the ocean. We will now add our pasta. I'm using Barilla number 5 and it's my favorite pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice, of course. The amount of pasta that I added is good for 2. To prevent sticking, stir your pasta. According to package instructions, this pasta will be al dente in 9 minutes. So we need to follow that. We must always read the instructions and It varies for different pasta. Whatever you do, don't skip this step. We are saving some pasta water to include in our pasta dish later. Normally, the pasta water will help thicken the sauce, but since we don't have sauce here, the pasta water will help make it more rich and flavorful. At this point, I'm testing if the spaghetti is already firm to the bite, and it needs a few more minutes. I am now draining our pasta. This colander is from IKEA and it's very cheap, and I own this for more than 8 years now, I think. Back to a clean pan, I'm adding some olive oil. I don't recommend using EVOO or extra virgin olive oil here because it has a very strong flavor and it might overpower the dish. On low to medium heat, add your minced garlic. And make sure not to burn it. We're trying to infuse the oil with the flavor of the garlic. To add some kick to our dish, I'm adding some chili flakes. This is optional for the non-spicy lovers out there. It's time to add our shrimp one by one. Lay them out. It will only take a few minutes for the shrimp to cook, so be careful not to overcook it. Once you see it's turning orange on one side, you may flip it. And it is time to season our dish. I'm adding salt and pepper. You may add some chopped fresh parsley here, or if you can find some parsley flakes in the supermarket, just add it here. Our shrimp looks so gorgeous. It's about time to marry our shrimp and our pasta. This is the point where we want to add some pasta water. The pasta will absorb the water and it will get more rich and more flavorful. It will absorb the flavors of your garlic, your chili, and your oil. Mmm, so delicious. Mix everything together. So always taste your food, guys. So you may need to add some more chili flakes or ground pepper. Get your pasta bowl ready, guys. We're gonna eat. The original recipe doesn't include cheese or lemon juice, but I add them. Personally, I like the taste of lemon juice in my pasta, especially if there's shrimp. And I also like to add Parmesan, so love it. This is your perfectly splendid shrimp in aglio olio pasta. Enjoy, guys! If you enjoyed watching the video, please like and don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering dishes and desserts. Again, thank you for watching and see you next week.